Toys help your bird fulfill their natural instinct by allowing them to shred, chew, and tear. Bizzy Birdz toys provide hours of mental stimulation, reducing the chance of feather plucking due to boredom. We recommend 3 different types of toys. One they can destroy quickly, one that takes a few months, and one they can't break. This natural wood and leather toy has many elements for your bird to enjoy. It has wood for beak grinding, leather for chewing, and the colorful beads and bell are extra added fun parts your bird will love playing with. For lots of playtime fun, order today.